It's interesting, I had a chance to get to know Wayne really from just as a friend. We lived in the same neighborhood, and sitting over dinner talking about what he was experiencing, just the difficult environment that some children live in, and the difficult family environment, which really results in so many behavioral health issues. So it was a natural for us to potentially look to Wayne to be part of our team. And then Wayne came and really took our behavioral health program to a new level.
As sheriff of this county, we see firsthand the tremendous need for treatment and facilities like Willowbrooke in our community. Almost on a daily basis, our office either has to transport or intervene or look for treatment or something for individuals with behavioral health issues. People like Wayne Senfeld saw the tremendous need that not only in our community, but also in the state of Georgia, the tremendous need for services and a facility. And through hard work and dedication by people like Wayne Senfeld, this facility has become a reality, a very much needed facility for those services.
Well, I think that Wayne, I'm sure he knew right off the bat, but certainly as he was working with our kids, one of his real efforts was to begin establishing contacts with all the other agencies in our community that are equipped to address mental health and behavioral health issues. And those that are familiar with adolescents, they know that they have a range of issues that they're dealing with at the time. And Wayne recognized that we needed to be meeting those needs.
We have art therapy. We also have group services for general therapy for the children and as well as for the adults. In the summer we have equine therapy. We are beginning to look at therapy using dogs and other animals. There seems to be some connection there that helps with therapy as a supplement.
And Willowbrooke was the first hospital, new mental health hospital that was built in the last 25 years in the state of Georgia, which is quite a feat. But in addition to that, we are the only hospital and remain the only hospital in the state of Georgia through Wayne's vision to be able to have a true continuum of care that we have. And we can treat patients all the way from outpatient to inpatient. And unless you have those specialty programs that we have, then you don't often succeed in your journey through treatment. And I think that he does need to have most of the credit of Willowbrooke and the levels of care that we are able to offer the community. It truly is his vision.
And when you look at the impact of helping an 18-year-old turn their life around, potentially they have two options. They're at crossroads. They could go on and be an unproductive citizen, a citizen that is potentially dependent on the government for care and support, or turn their life around, become a productive citizen that can contribute to society for the rest of their life. That's a huge return. And those happen every day at Willowbrooke. And we are very proud of the opportunity to help people become, productive and lead productive lives. And so it's important work, and it's work that really, I think, goes a long way to fulfilling the mission of Tanner Health System.
I think others are recognizing that mental health problems contribute to homelessness, crime, unemployment, and here in the West Georgia region we're doing something about that. And I think that Wayne deserves a lot of credit for that.
I'm very happy to accept this award from GHA, and for me it's 15 years of affirmation more than recognition of a community that has broke the stigma that are often associated with psychiatric services, a community and a board that has been extremely supportive and not willing to be status quo as it relates to taking care of the mentally ill in our state, but instead wanting to be cutting edge. And most of all, I would like to share this with all the staff at Behavioral Health, with all the employees of Tanner, with the board of directors and the senior leaderships of this hospital that have helped make this happen. Again, thank you very much.